Kick things off easy. Do 10 minutes of jogging or jumping jacks to get your blood pumping. Once you're warmed up, we dive into the real deal. Chest up and shoulders back. The bench press is key for building a broader chest and solid shoulders. Aim for 3 sets of 12 reps. Grip those pull-up bars tight. Engaging your back muscles is the secret to carving out that V shape and fixing your posture. Say goodbye to slouching. Get those squats in. If your legs aren't strong, your body isn't strong. Go for 4 sets. Remember, you're working the largest muscle group in your body. Build those boulder shoulders. With overhead presses and lateral raises, you're going for that broad look. Stick to 3 sets of 10 reps. It widens your frame, strengthens your traps, and makes your physique look incredibly aesthetic. Focus on those curls, nice and slow. Build those biceps. When your arms are strong, every task in life feels easier. Hold that plank for 30 seconds. You're engaging your deep core muscles. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to those 6-pack abs.
Recovery is key. It reduces muscle soreness, stabilizes your heartbeat, speeds up healing, and guarantees better sleep.